The packing has started. I'm making my way through things. I keep getting emotional and I'm not sure why, if it's because I'm just overwhelmed with how much I have to get packed, where I'm going to put all this stuff once it's packed, or that I'm sad to move, or sad to leave my like neighbors and neighborhood. I think it's just a blend of all of it. Did the kids just miss their bus? Yeah, they did. Is Lincoln still asleep? Yeah, he is. Are you the only one that got up? Yeah. Was I aware of this? Yeah, I was, and I just let you sleep. Because, folks, this is the only amount of boxes that I have packed, and I feel like I'm gonna die. And apparently so do the kids. And you know, I just thought if they needed the sleep, it's fine. Mama's gonna take you to school. I always have a method to my madness. Joel also left the house in a hurry this morning and forgot all of his camera stuff. And well, we can't function without our camera stuff. So I'm gonna run this out to Joel, which he's like 30 minutes away. And I'll take the kids to school. Tell me what you think of the breakfast. You can be honest.
I want to switch out the cottage cheese for yogurt.
Cottage cheese can go really well with sweet. So here's what we did. Cottage cheese, blueberries, coconut flakes, hemp seeds, and honey. I mean, you know, I think, it's great. Joel and I are heading out of town for an event. And Joel, did you even see the boxes that I packed?
Oh, you get these boxes.
Did you see all of these boxes that I packed and put in the Suburban?
Good
Did
job.
you see that?
You did a good job.
And Boston laid the seats down for me.
Did he?
Yeah, he did.
This
Isn't that
morning?
sweet? Yeah, before he went to school.
Oh, what a good boy.
I know.
Hey, there's batteries in there.
I know, there's a lot of batteries in there. All right, we emptied the ones that we needed emptied, and now we're bringing back all the winter clothes. It is just a big game of
Material management.
sand shifting. You know, one day soon, here in less than a year,
7 months.
we are not going to have to play this shifting game. I don't want to alarm you, but you do have a bug right behind your back.
Would you like to get it for me?
Nah, it's not gonna hurt you.
Oh,
It might hurt me. You'll be just fine, honey. That was impressive. That, what is it, costume change?
okay. Side of a gas station.
Boy, I tell ya, Maverick. They're my fave. Well, my cleaning and packing was not easy to film today. So I didn't film, which is kind of, I mean, I enjoyed not filming, but I hated not capturing it for you guys. It's a super overcast, super rainy day. And so I spent the day cleaning, and the reason I was cleaning instead of packing is because we have a home inspection that's coming up right after the weekend, and the new homeowners, they're interested in buying a lot of our furniture, and so they're gonna like come and look at it and stuff, which is really, really cool. They also wanted to buy the piano, but I couldn't I couldn't sell my piano. But there's several other pieces that they're looking at, which is like, I think is just really neat, because I feel like it pays me a really big compliment. Not only did they like my house, but they liked the way I decorated it too. And so it's kind of a win-win for both of us. So we were kind of cleaning today. But each time I clean, I pack several boxes. So I cleaned Lincoln's room today, and there are no toys. There is nothing in this room except his bed and his warmie. And let me tell you, when I say all they need to survive is a warmie, these are like warm-up beanbag things that you can stick in the microwave that I actually have a discount code for. I just haven't talked about them because it's been hot summer, but my kids have started warming up their warmies in the microwave. And then of course they have their new Minky blankets, and you know, that's all they need to be happy in life. I'm like not even kidding you. So I have a discount code for the blanket and for the warmie in the description below. I look at these pictures, and as silly as they are in here, I just think I will have these the rest of my life, or maybe just I'll think back on them. But we have a toy room in our new house, and so I think I'll put those in there. I think the kids will have fun looking at those, you know, when they come back. They're just silly. They're just silly things that I got off of Amazon, but I love them. And then I've got all 4 of my babies that I'm like, where am I gonna put these in the new house? I definitely need a spot for them. Not sure where though. Joel, look at the rain coming down. Joel and Cody worked in the yard today. One of the things they were interested in buying was all the stuff on the patio, which that just makes me feel so good. Something else that makes me feel really good, there was a comment that was like, I'm really gonna miss looking into your backyard during Christmas and looking at the snow. And it just really tickled my heart because I felt like, okay, not only do I have such an attachment to this place, but so do you guys. And that's just really unique and special. I just love it. My heart has been all over the place. Joel and I are getting ready to go out tonight. And it's almost like I don't even want to leave. I'll show you in my cupboards. These cupboards were full of books and journals and pictures and just kind of things, letters, you know, and so of course I started going through them, and immediately I was like, absolutely not, Bonnie, you have work to do. It's like this follows me around the house all day. So this is empty in here. We've got that all cleared out. I had to have a little pep talk with myself. I was like, Bonnie, you cannot look through every single thing. You cannot get sentimental about every little thing, or you'll never get this house packed. I actually feel like it's going pretty good though. I really do. I feel like it's gonna go pretty quick.
You guys see what time it is? 6:14 on Saturday morning. Every single boy is up. Cody's got to go to work, but these 2 are coming with me to go get wood pellets.
This is fun.
It's fun. I like it. What muffin did you get?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. There was only 1 lemon poppy seed, and Tito scored that one. I thought this was a peach one, but apparently it's a blueberry. Still good.
And
I can already smell it, man. Oh man.
it's gonna snow today.
Yeah,
and it's like almost the middle of fall.
I hope we can beat this storm. Okay, climb in, get your seatbelts on. Hey boys, what are you doing?
Gotcha!
Well, getting pellets was a bust. They were out. That is a risk you take when you go get them, but we've never been like skunked like that, but oh well. Another day, another trip.
Just trying on a few costumes.
Mom, you know how like Cody's old Captain America suit?
Yes.
We found it.
His baby costume.
And we found
Last year we bought these for like everyone was like a bloke costume, and I wanted to be grandpa, so we saved this for the next year, so I'm being a shark. But last year I was a grandpa.
This year I told the kids you have to just find whatever costume we've got.
You can dads. Me and Cody are gonna be aliens. So it'll be fun. I'm excited.
Whatever you can find, and it's not like they have a lack of costumes to choose from. Oh my gosh.
It's like a Halloween store down here.
I know.
This is gonna be too
I
tall for
know.
me.
No, it won't.
Nah, it probably won't, especially when it blows
Yeah,
up.
'cause you wear that up over your arms, I think, right?
Oh wait, no.
I can't remember.
You guys, we have our fireplace on.
Can somebody blow this up?
Fireplace is on. You have your shirt off. Are you freezing? I'm gonna stand in front of it.
Dad, how do you blow this up?
Feels good.
You gotta pucker your lips and blow real hard.
Okay, well, I packed all the batteries, so we may be buying a bunch of batteries.
I saw that you packed the batteries. I was like, I feel
You know,
like
when I was doing it, I knew it was a bad idea, but I did it anyway.
did it. Want to do a bad thing?
I know it's a bad idea, but I do it anyway.
Yeah, I really did. I said, we'll go to the store and buy batteries if we need to. That's what my brain told me. What are you gonna do? What costume are you gonna do?
My alien costume.
Where is it?
Right there.
Okay. All right. You're a little quiet this morning.
My voice just hurts.
Does
It's been
it?
hurting for like 3 days.
Are you sick?
No.
Or you think it's hoarse? Because you've like yelled a lot.
Screen
Probably
plate.
that.
Mom, can you go upstairs and get the batteries?
But
Like
there are
I
no batteries
said,
there.
I packed them.
Oh yeah.
So tell me what kind of batteries they require and I
AAA.
will get some for
Lots of
you.
them.
Mine's small. Like it has to like.
It is not, well,
Well, you need to pull it up on your legs a little bit better.
That's huge.
yeah, and even if it is small, you're gonna make do.
Yeah, you got plenty of room. You got plenty of room.
Or we have all those costumes that we tried on
Honestly, I
earlier.
could just put it up to. That's no safe idea to put it up to my neck. But I can be like, these are my arms. I'm not gonna do that though. That's actually like really scary.
Well,
Mine's not working.
here's the plan for today. I think we're going to lounge this morning. And then we are going to go visit your mom and dad because I feel like I miss them and we need to catch up on how they're doing. And
I think so.
okay, good night, everybody.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night, Kevin.
Good night, Kevin.